Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to import and export passwords from your iCloud Keychain app. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. For this tutorial, we will need the Keychain app. So let's see how to import passwords. Click on New Password when you open the Keychain app. And then here you can choose the website that you want to assign the account to. Let's say, for example, Netflix. Type netflix.com and then type the username and the password. For this case, I will just type username test1, and for the password, I will just type anything. And then in the notes, I can add one if you want, and then I will just click on save. So here, as you can see, in the Netflix, I can just click on password and copy it. You won't see it in the footage because it's actually for security purposes, but I have actually added the password. Another thing you can do is open the Keychain app and then go see all your saved passwords. Go to all and then scroll down a bit and find the app that you want to get the password of or the account. And then click on it and then here choose the password and click on copy password. You can also share it via airdrop if you want. And that's it. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.